Hello, boys and girls. Welcome. Today is December 2, 2020. Guess what time it is? It's Eureka time. Today, we are doing lesson 27. And our objective of the day is I can solve addition and subtraction problems by decomposing and composing teen numbers as 1, 10, and some ones. So basically, we're just going to solve problems with addition and subtraction. And at the end, our answer, we're going to write it as tens and ones. Our key points. What do we need to know? Well, the same. We need to know how to decompose, which means break apart. Just like this example right here. 15, you decompose it into 10 and 5. Then we also need to know what tens are, which this right here shows 2 tens because it's 2 groups of 10 or 2 bundles of 10. And yesterday we even started learning how to draw our tens. We also need to know what ones are. And right here we have 5 ones, 5 extra ones, or those were your imaginary fingers from yesterday. We also need to know what our teen numbers are. And our teen numbers are 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. How are we going to be successful? Well, 2 easy steps. First, we need to use the strategies to solve the problem. Strategies that we know, like the make 10, the count on, the take from 10 to solve the problems, right? And second, we just need to write our solution as tens and ones. Are you ready? Go ahead and take out your whiteboard or a piece of paper to practice on. Press play when ready. So, get your magic counting sticks. Those are your fingers. We're going to call them our magic counting sticks. So, remember yesterday? How can we make 13 with our fingers? How many real fingers in 13? Get ready. Yes, 10, because we have 10 fingers. How many imaginary fingers do we need to make 13? Get ready. Yes, 3 more. Now, we're going to make 13 with our hide 0 cards right here. So it's like this. We put a 10 and a 3 together, and that's how we make 13. So how many 10s do you have in 13? Get ready. 1 10. Remember, you only have one group of 10. Again, how many 10s do you have in 13? Get ready. Yes, 1 10. How many 1s do you have in 13? Get ready. Yes, 3 1s. Awesome job. Now, how can we solve this using our hide 0 cards? Well, I'm going to show you how. Go ahead and write the problem. 13 minus 3. Ready? So remember when we use the take from 10 strategy, we decompose our teen number, which is 13. So I write, you write. So into what 2 parts do we decompose 13 into? Get ready. Yes, 10 and 3. Just like our hide 0 cards when we separate them into 10 and 3. And now, I know we always take away from 10, but since we are taking 3 away, do you notice something? That these numbers are the same. So instead of taking away from 10, we could take away 3 minus 3, so we can circle these. 3 minus 3 is what? If we have 3 and we take away 3, what do we get? Get ready. Yes, 0. And then to add our leftover parts, which here it would be our triangles, we add 10 plus 0 because remember the triangles, we add them. So 10 plus 0 is, get ready. Yes, 10. So we separated our teen number into our 10s and our 1s, right? So now, and then when we subtracted, we took away the 3 from our 3 1s. So we got rid of this card and we're left with our answer, 10. Ready to practice another one? Let's go. Now, show me 15 with your magic counting sticks. Remember, those are your fingers. How many real fingers do we have up? Get ready. Yes, 10. How many imaginary fingers? Get ready. Yes, 5. So here's our hide 0 cards. And then when we decompose 15, we decompose it into, get ready. Yes, 10 and 5. Go ahead and park your markers for a bit. Make sure your markers or your pencils are parked and we're listening. Let's listen to this problem first. So when we decompose it, we separate our hide 0 cards. And remember, if two numbers are the same right here, instead of taking away from 10, which will still get the same answer, we can take away 5 from the 5 extra ones we have. Because remember, we have our 10s and our 1s. So we take away 5 from the extra ones, which is right here. And 5, if you have 5 and you take away 5, how many do you have left? Get ready. 0. And now you just add our leftover parts. And our leftover parts would be 10 plus 0. If you have 10 and you don't add anything else, what do you have left? Get ready. 10. So here in our cards, we just took away the ones. And we were left with 10. Now let's solve this. Go ahead and write 16 minus 4. Ready? So we decompose 16 into what two parts? Get ready. Yes, 10 and 6. Just like this. And now we are going to subtract. Do you want to subtract 4 from our 10 or from our 1s? Well, we can do it from our 10, right? Since that's what we've been practicing. Let's go ahead and circle 10 minus 4. And what's 10 minus 4? Put up your magic counting sticks. 10. And you take away 4. What do you have left? Get ready. Yes, 6. Now we put a triangle on our leftover parts. And what do we do with those triangles? We add them. So what is 6 plus 6? Get ready. Yes, 12. So that is our answer. And now that we have our answer, 12, how many 10s and how many 1s does 12 have? Look at 12. How many 10s? Get ready. Yes, 110. Remember to say the unit. How many 1s does 12 have? Get ready. Yes, 2 1s. So 12 has 1 10 and 2 1s. Awesome. Remember that if at any time you need more time, you can pause the video, or if you need to go ahead and draw your pictures, go ahead and draw your pictures to help you solve. Go ahead and write 8 plus 5. I'm going to help you solve the first one, and then I will let you practice on your own. Ready? So we can do this both ways. We can use our make 10 strategy, or we could use the countdown strategy. I'm going to go ahead and review with you all the make 10 strategies so that we can refresh our memories. So in order to make 10, we're going to make 10 with 8 since it is closer to 10. So we're going to decompose 5. Everybody write. 8 needs how many more to make 10? Get ready. Yes, 2. And 2 plus what other part make 5? Get ready. Yes, 3. So we circle 8 and 2 because that makes 10, and we write a 10. And then we put a triangle, remember, on our leftover parts. So we put a triangle on 10 and 3. And what do we do with those triangles? We add them. We bring them together. So what's 10 plus 3? Get ready. Yes, 13. So look at our solution. How many 10s does 13 have? Get ready. Yes, 1 10. How many 1s does 13 have? Get ready. Yes, 3 1s. You don't need to write the 1 10s and 3 1s as long as you're answering as long as you're working out your problem. So 13 has 1 10 and 3 1s. Way to go. And here we need, Ms. Gomez is going to cross out the S because we don't have more than 110. When it's more than 110, then we add an S. But since it's only 1, we do not need an S. Let's remember that rule. Ready? Solve this problem on your own. Press pause so that you can work it out. Remember to draw your pictures or use the take from 10 strategy to solve your problem. Write your answer. When you have your answer, go ahead and write your solution as like down here. How many 10s and how many 1s? Press play when ready. By now, you should have worked out your problem. And if you're still a little bit confused as how to write it down here, I will help you out. So we have 13 minus 4 equals blank. Well, I'm going to use the take from 10 strategy. If you drew your pictures, you could have drawn 13 circles and crossed off 4, right? And then you just count the circles you have left. But if you use the take from 10 strategy, you broke apart your T number into 10 and 3. Then I took from 10, right? Our friendly number 10. 10 minus 4. So put up your magic counting sticks. Put up 10. Then take away 4. How many do you have left? Get ready. Yes, 6. Now we just add a triangle on our leftover parts. So 6 and 3 are my leftover parts, and we add our triangles. So 6 plus 3 more is what? Get ready. Yes, 9. Look at this. This is an interesting one. So if it was a little bit hard, we can figure this out. Listen, look at number 9. If we draw the number 9, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Could we put a line through to make it a group of 10? Get ready. You should have said no because remember, there's only 9 circles and you need 10 circles to make a 10. So do we have any 10s? Get ready. No. So we should have put 0, 10. And how many 1s? Get ready. Yes, 9 1s. So this one was a little bit challenging. But give yourself a kiss on the brain for trying. Ready? Go ahead and practice this one. Solve on your own. Remember to write your solution as 10s and 1s. Press play when ready. By now, you should have your answer and you should have your solution written as 10s and 1s. Go ahead and check your work with me and fix anything that is wrong. So I am going to use again the take from 10 strategy. Again, if you drew 14 circles and crossed off 8, that is totally fine as well. So here, I'm going to decompose 14 into 10 and 4. Sorry for my 4. And now I'm going to circle 10 minus 8 because I'm going to have 10 and subtract 8. So put up 10 fingers. Now take away 8. How many do you have left? Get ready. Yes, 2. Now, all we do is we add a triangle on our leftover parts, which is 2 and 4. And now we bring our triangles together. 2 plus 4. What's 2 plus 4? Get ready. Yes, 6. So our solution is 6. It's another word for answer. So if we draw 6, we have 3, 4, 5, 6. Can we make a group of 10? Get ready. No, right? Because we only have 6 circles. We don't have enough. So do we have any 10s? Get ready. No. So we have 0 10s. And how many ones do we have? Get ready. 6 ones. Very good. So 6 only has 0 10s and 6 ones. Awesome job. Thank you all for practicing. Now, go ahead and open up your problem set to lesson 27. Go ahead and write your name, date, and your goal. Press pause at this time so that you can find lesson 27 problem set in your Learn book and so that you can write your name, date, and goal. Press play when ready. Ready? I'm going to read the instructions and we're going to work out problem 1. It says solve the problems. Write your answers to show how many 10s and 1s. If there is only one 10, cross off the S, just like Ms. Gomez did on one of the problems. So look at number 1. We have 12 plus 6 equals, and then we write our solution. Here, I'm going to use the count-on strategy. So in order for that, I'm going to draw 6 circles. So if you want to go ahead and do that with me, go ahead and draw 6 circles. 6. And we're going to count on from 12 because that's our biggest number. Ready? Count on with me. Get ready. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Stop. What's 12 plus 6? Get ready. Yes, 18. So look at 18. How many 10s and 1s? Well, let's start with the 10s first. How many 10s does 18 have? Get ready. Yes, 1 10. How many 1s does 18 have? Get ready. Yes, 8 1s. Don't forget the last part of the instructions. It said if there is only one 10, we need to cross off the S. Is there only one 10? Get ready. Yes, so we need to cross off the S. Just make a line through. Now go ahead and circle your must-do problems that you will be working with in the live session. Your must-do problems are 4, 5, 8, and 10. See you in the live session.